So do you have to worry a lot about technical things in your team, or do you have another person who normally supervises that, or maybe a
We have
technical artist? Yeah.
Yeah, we have a technical lighting artist, and he does a great job at analyzing. If something isn't right, he sees it, and he can talk to the rendering team and yeah, fix the issue. For most of the production cycle, though, we were also helping with this. If we spotted something, we would, let people know about it. It was pretty tricky sometimes. Another thing that we had to consider a lot was optimization because the city is very dense. There is neons everywhere. There's advertisements, street lamps, cars, a lot of different light sources. So light radius, light overdraw was a huge thing. Also shadow count was also a big challenge. So those are the things. Like in a parking lot like that, no problem because you only have a few spotlights. But once you get into the city center, like here for example, it starts to become a bit more complex. You have to, really pay attention to how the performance is.